Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to use your knife on Red Dead Redemption 2. So it's a very easy step. All you have to do is just hold the tab button. Then this weapon will pop up on the screen while holding the tab button. And your knife can be found right here at this section. And to use it, just select the knife and release the tab button to use it. And here's a note, you can use a knife to kill someone or hunt someone. So guys, that's how you use your knife on Red Dead Redemption 2. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.